In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a newsletter within FluentCRM. Okay, so what you need to do first is go to campaigns, or go to FluentCRM first and then into campaigns. And then we want to click on create a new campaign. Give the campaign a title. This is for internal use only, so only you will see this. Click continue. And this is where you will start creating your newsletter in here. So this is the text area, and you have various options to add. So this is a text block, and then if we click the plus icon here, we will see all the blocks available. So you can add custom HTML, conditional sections, spaces, buttons, columns, groups, images, a classic text editor, table, and so on. Okay, so if I want to add a heading, I just simply drag that to where I want the heading. And now, so if I want to add an image, I'll drag that into the image section, and I can either upload a new image or select one from my media library. So say if I'm going to upload one, and then we can resize this image if you want. And if I want to add more text below, centralize this. To add a new block, simply press enter, and then once again you can either press the plus button up here to add a block, or you can click here and you can add a block from here. So I want to add a new paragraph. And so for example, all your settings for whatever block you've got added are on the right hand side here. So I can choose my font size here, or I can select a custom font size. And then we have the color settings here. So I can change the colors, or I can choose a custom color. And then we have background colors there. I'm not going to add that. And then we have some advanced typography things there. So if I want to change the font, I can select a new font from here. And then the line height for the text. Okay, so you can format your newsletter nicely here using the email editor. And then when you have done, click save. And then when you're ready to continue, and then you can add your subject. And then before you actually send the newsletter, you can send a test email. Okay, so then you can check it in your inbox, and then once you're happy, you'll click next. If you're not happy, you can click back here, and you can go back, and then you can continue editing your newsletter here. Okay, and once again, click continue. Send yourself another test. When you're happy, click next, and then it's going to ask you on this page who you want to send it to. And so you choose your newsletter list from here. So I've got 165 subscribers in this newsletter. Yeah, so I can choose that. And if you want to choose subscribers based on tags, um, you can choose them here, but there's none set up at the moment. And then you can exclude some users as well. So once again, if you've got some users with certain tags that you don't want to send it to, you can select them here. Yeah. And then you can add additional actions here to exclude additional tags. Okay. Once again, if you've got multiple newsletters you want to send to, if you've got multiple newsletter lists, you can select one from here, and then you can add another one and select your other lists. Okay. And then when you're done, I'm not going to go to the next step because it's going to start sending the emails, but basically click continue to next step and review it, and then press send, and then you're done. So that's how to send a newsletter within Fluent CRM.